Plastic is a really useful material, but more and more we're realising its impact on the planet. We're going to show you 2 ways to recycle a 2-litre bottle. First, we're going to make a plant pot for your windowsill. You will need a used pop bottle, some scissors, wool or string for decoration, googly eyes, soil, glue, sellotape and some plants. First, take your pop bottle and cut it in half. Use sellotape to fix the wool, ribbon or string of your choice to the bottle. Wrap the string around the bottle until it's covered and fix with another piece of sellotape. Add your googly eyes or other features to your pot. Add compost to fill 3/4 of the plant pot and add seeds or plants of your choice. These windowsill plant pots are great for balconies, patios or windowsills. The next project is a hanging planter. For this project you'll need the other half of your pop bottle, wool, string or ribbon, soil and a hole punch. Firstly, take your half pop bottle and put 4 holes around 5 centimetres from the top of the bottle. Place a piece of string in each hole and tie to the bottle. Bring the pieces of string together and knot at the top. Make sure the bottle is as level as possible. Add soil and seeds or flowers to finish. We'd recommend pansies, marigolds or trailing plants. It may be a good idea to add extra holes at the bottom for drainage. These can be hung on balconies, in your kitchen or even throughout your garden. By recycling bottles in this way, you can single-handedly stop plastic going to landfill.